Well, it's called the Sunshine State for a reason, and I know you love those amenities, and now you're dying to see the homes. Well, let's go check out the estate option with MasterCraft Home here in the gated community of Madeira. Ready to see your next home? Come on. What are you doing all the way back there? You're supposed to walk with me. Are you liking the video so far? Well, I hope so. If you do, go ahead and give a like and go ahead and subscribe to find more videos just like this, home tours or news about St. Johns County that's actually happening. Now, there's two things that can happen with this outcome of this video. One, you're at the end of this video. Two, you end up moving to this beautiful home here in Madeira by the summer. The options are endless, but let's get back to the tour. This is not the only floor plan with MasterCraft. There's actually a ton of other options in a ton of different neighborhoods if Madeira isn't for you. If you want to hear more information about MasterCraft and where they're building to build your dream home, message me. Let's reach out. Go ahead, like, subscribe, share with a friend so they could also move next door to you.